Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you guys are all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are talking about the best deals in store at Walgreens for the week of December 7th to the 13th. Okay, so we have freebies, we have cheapies, we have items very, very little out of pocket, and that's exactly what we love as extreme couponers. At the very end of the video, I'm going to show you a really cool basket to use the 10 back when you spend 40 if you may have this. I know not everybody gets it, and I know that's super frustrating, but maybe you might get a paper booster. I know that anytime you even get like a little print, if you put in your phone number, a lot of us get them to print out those paper boosters. Possibly try that. If you guys could do me a huge kindness before we dive into the deals, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel to make sure that this video doesn't end up in a YouTube timeout. If you could take a second and like or hype the video. The first deal we're going to talk about is a complete freebie, and it's how to get those Christmas stockings stocked up with the cheap Crunch or Butterfingers candy bars. So you're looking for a very specific flavors. It's just not going to be any old Butterfingers or Crunch bar. With the app Fetch, there is 1,500 points, and you can do this up to 3 times. So double, triple check that you have this rebate, and this is the list. Pay attention, you're grabbing the right one and just not grabbing any old candy bar in the store. Grabbing 3 of these, it'll be $4.50. Fetch has that rebate, making it completely free. If you're doing this with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. But before you even do the rebate, go through that list. Does your store sell them? And are you in business to do this deal? Is it still there? Because often when they offer free chocolate especially, it tends to go very quickly. I don't know why, but it just does. But what a deal. Deal that we're working with is for some free CoverGirl. You have 2 different options. Double, triple check that you have these 2 $4 rebates with IBOTTA and load these 2 $2 off digital coupons. The first route that you can take is to look for one face and one eye product that's on clearance and try and make the magic work with IBOTTA and these digital coupons that way. Alternatively, there is an old-fashioned blush and a very cheap mascara, which is on a buy one, get one 50% off for $11.93. You have $4 in digitals. After that, you're going to pay $7.98 and scan those barcodes to ensure that they're attaching with IBOTTA. After you get your $4 back for each product, they're a limit of 1 per. So you can only do this deal once. It makes it a complete freebie. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. If you want to go super cheap with this, look what they have on clearance. Is it going with the digital coupons and IBOTTA? And if the answer is yes, you have a heck of a deal right there. And I know makeup is on clearance at several stores in Michigan, probably most of them. Another really great deal that was going on last week that's continuing this week is the buy one, get one free on the Batiste dry shampoo. If you could find 2 that are on clearance, we have a $3 digital that is attaching. So it would make $3.79 for the 2 or $1.89 for a product that's almost $12.99. That is close to 90% off. And if you use dry shampoo, definitely something I would stock up on. Another super deal of the week is the 88-cent food storage bags. I know these tags are different, but this is the one that you're looking for. Apologies, I was in the store first thing, and unfortunately, tagging wasn't done. And the employees are really busy, probably stocking up a bunch of orders for toilet paper. 88 cents, grabbing 6 of these, that would be $5.28. If you want to use some Walgreens cash, you're doing this deal with no booster, you can use up to 5. It would be 28 cents for the 6, which is a really good price point. It's so much better than the buy one, get 2 for free. You're going from 93 cents to 88 cents. So, I mean, some savings. This morning, I got a 4 off a 2 for the Head & Shoulders on both of my accounts. So if you could line this one up and your store has clearance Head & Shoulders shampoo, this deal is absolutely fantastic. Lots of this one specifically, the smooth and silky, even if it's not tagged, ask for a price check at the front. It's 50% off. And with that 4 off a 2, like you can just see how this is going to line up. Grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $8.98. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $4.98. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 98 cents for the 2 or 49 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And double, triple check that you have the digital coupon. And don't load both the 3 off 2 and the 4 off 2, or the smallest one will come off first over at Walgreens. And it's just the breaks of it. Another super deal that we have is with the Tresemme for $6. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon and a $4 reward when you purchase 2. So this is the digital coupon that you're going to load, guys, which is your 5 off a 2. And this is just a very basic and easy deal. Grabbing 2 of these Tresemmes, it's going to be exactly 12, and it's the larger shampoos. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $7. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 3 for the 2, or $1.50 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. We're going to do a quick detour with the best toothpaste deals of the week. I know a lot of you really love a good toothpaste deal. You're either grabbing this guy or the Oral-B brushes. $5 a pop with the 4 off 2 digital coupon and a $4 reward when you purchase 2 of them. Grabbing 2 of these Magics, it's going to be $10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $2 for the 2, or $1 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But if you want to fill up those Christmas stockings for your adult kids with toothpaste, I think that's a really fun thing to do. And then we also have the Colgate deal of the week, $4 reward when you purchase 2 of these. And we are specifically going to be grabbing the $5 Colgate or Hello, those products. And we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 Hellos because I'm fancy. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2, or $1 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And those Hello toothpaste are at larger stores. If you live super rural, like a couple stores near me, you absolutely can't find them, which is frustrating. But if you like a fluoride-free toothpaste, this is definitely the one to buy. Another super deal is with the large soft soap hand soaps, $5.99, $3 reward when you buy 2, and we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of those large soft soaps, it's $11.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $7.98. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $4.98 for the 2, or $2.49 per unit. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. The Palmolive this week is $3.49. We have a $1.50 digital coupon, dropping this gorgeous bottle of liquid gold. I prefer this over Dawn to $1.99. That's pretty controversial to say I like this more than Dawn. And guys, if you are really into these gift sets, they're still 25% off. And many of them got new digital coupons this morning. So we're definitely going to have more deals to go with that. But do yourself a favor and go and load all of these digital coupons right now because they're really fantastic, both men and women's digital coupons. And I know a lot of you love to gift or to stockpile these gift sets. And let's not forget, a lot of them have coupons inside, so crack them open before you gift them to get your paper coupons. Another super deal of the week is the 4 for $10 on the Bounce, Downy, Febreze, Mr. Clean, Tide products. It makes each product $2.50. Stock up. Okay, so using the 10 back when you spend 40, we're looking at the Monster Basket. And as we're using a booster for the balance of this one, you have to use your debit card. Don't use Walgreens cash. Let's not forget, class, when you're using these, you cannot use your Walgreens cash in concert with that deal. So for this basket, we're doing it in store. We're grabbing 2 of those CoverGirl products on a buy one, get one 50% off. So a mascara and a face product. We're going with the cheapest, so it's $11.98. 3 of the Butterfingers for $4.50, 2 Tresemmes for $12, and 2 Crests for $10, and then 1 Palmolive dish soap for $3.49. The total for your basket is $41.97. Have that digital booster loaded. We have $14.50 in digitals melting off for that. $4 for CoverGirl, $5 for Tresemme, and $4 for Crest, and $1.50 for Palmolive. With your debit card, you're paying $27.47, getting back $10 in Walgreens cash for the booster, $8 from IBOTTA, an $8 register reward, $4 for Tresemme, and $4 for Crest. The final total here is $1.47 for the 8 or 18 cents per product, and this is exactly what extreme couponing is all about. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, but if you have other register rewards, possibly from the week previous, you can use them to get that $27.47 a lot less out of pocket and make your magic happen. That's it for this video. We will catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.